Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what your device allows. Unlocked bootloader or root changes your options, so check it now. Once done, back up everything, contacts, messages, photos, so you can restore if needed. Next, install a file manager and ADB on your computer, and add at least one alternative app store like F-Droid or APK Mirror. This gives you a safe source for APKs. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled before moving forward. Now you sideload essential apps. Download APKs, verify signatures, then install via ADB to avoid Play Store dependencies. If apps require Google APIs, install MicroG or another reimplementation to provide location, push, and account hooks. Follow the installer steps and grant required permissions. Then configure services by adding accounts through a map, CalDAV, and Card DAV or use web sign-in where possible. This reduces reliance on Google Play services while keeping functionality for mail, calendar, and Finally, test each app. Sign in, check notifications, and verify location or push behavior. Adjust settings until they work. Once satisfied, lock down permissions and disable leftover Play services components or uninstall them if safe. Set app defaults and install updates from your chosen APK source. If something breaks, clear the app data, reinstall the APK, or switch to the web version as a quick workaround. This single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.